Yeah, it's your boy Pong $Dollars. We got a special guest in the building, man. Please introduce
Yeah.
yourself, man.
What it do, man? It's your boy Native Wells, man. 315 Q Shorty. You know what it is, man. Crenshaw, what it do?
Alright, now get them familiar with that joint that we played on the air earlier, man.
Oh, man. Right now, we just played the In Love joint, my new joint called In Love. It's, more of a, something that everybody been through, whether you're a woman, whether you're a man, female. It's, just talking about love and the cheating and things that goes on. You get a lot of women talking about their man be cheating and all that. So, so what I did was I just kind of flipped it. You know what I'm saying? And I just put my shoes into her shoes. You know what I mean? So it's more of like, okay, now you cheating, so I'm going through your phone. You know what I mean? Because everything ain't adding up.
Yeah, that's peace. That's peace right there. Alright, so I've been on the Twitter and I get crazy on the social media and I'm seeing the comparisons to the late great B.I.G. man. Let me just give me just a taste of what you think about that, man. Let me know what you think about that, man.
Man, you know what I mean? Like I said before, man, it's I definitely appreciate the compliments, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't really there'll never be another big.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
rest in peace.
And them kind of shoes right there would never be filled, you know what I mean? But I definitely, like I said, man, everybody's comparing me to Big, man, as far as like how my flow is and things like that. It's a good feeling, to be compared to the greatest, you know what I'm saying? So, all I can do is just try to imprint that and try to do my own thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's peace right there. That's peace, man. Any projects coming up, anything you want to plug, you want to get off your chest, let the people know where they can find you at. You know what I'm saying? Let the people know what's going on with you, man.
Man, it's just, you can find me at Native Wells. That's on Twitter. You can find me at Native Wells on Instagram. Native Wells on my fan page, or you can check out www.nativewells.com. You know what I'm saying? And, like I said, we out here grinding, man. You know what I mean? I just got done with my first mixtape called Rock and Roller. I'm working on my second one right now called Hometown Hero. And, you know what I'm saying, working with a few artists that I got right now. You know what I'm saying? Me and my man Reef. Shout out to Reef. What's good? What you found?
What's good?
And, we got Picasso coming up with Picasso 1.5. So, then, Sheen 86, Tattoos and Champagne. You know what I mean? Zay. You know what I mean? We got a roster. You know what I'm saying? So,
I see the magazine down there, man. What's that about right there, man? What's that about, man?
It's your boy, man. You know what I mean? It's your boy Native Wells.
Okay.
Street Report magazine. They got me as the hottest unsigned right now. So, and, you know what I mean? Street Report magazine. Shout out to Street Report magazine.
Yes,
General
sir.
was good with you. It's, you know what I mean? It's, big time magazine down there in Atlanta and Florida right now. It's waving all the way through Louisiana. And, you know what I'm saying? Got a call up one day. It was like, yo, listen. We got this magazine. Want you to feature in it. We definitely love your music. And I'm like, yeah, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to do. And man, that next day he came down, shot down. We did the interview at an Applebee's or whatever, man. And it was, it was bananas, man. So, they just kept telling me how good my music was and how I sound like Big and, you know what I mean, what's next for me. And I'm the next one up, next one up the bat or whatever. So it's, like I said, man, I'm just taking it one step at a time. You know what I mean? It's a grind. You know what I mean? I already know it's a grind. So, I've been doing it. I've only been rapping for 6-7 months now, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? So I'm still lacking something. You know what I mean? So all I can do is just keep going, keep grinding, keep perfecting my craft and, just keep bringing out the music that everybody's going to love. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's the next song, next single the people should be looking out coming from you?
Oh, man, we got, the next single that's coming out is called Paying Homage. Which is, it's paying homage to AZ. You know what I'm saying? Somebody that I really looked up to in the game. And, to me, he's kind of underrated for what he did to the game when he came out with Sugar Hill. So it was like, his style of music was just like, he was one of my favorite artists when he came out. You know what I'm saying? So I just felt like it was only right for me to, for me to pay homage to him. You know what I'm saying? He opened the doors for a lot of people. That's in the game right now. You know what I'm saying?
It's a fact. It's crazy you mentioned AZ. I remember when that song, Life's a Biatch, and then You Die, when he did that with Nas. I remember being in the Fever. It was this club in the Bronx back in the days. And I remember for Fat Joe's birthday, Nas came through and he did that. And like nobody knew who AZ was at that time, but everybody just knew that song. And I remember just people being in the club chilling with him, and then when he came on stage to do that verse, they was like, "Yo, that's the same dude that," and he just bodied that. Like that was just like that verse was everything. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I remember that, man. I remember that. You know, because AZ really never had to struggle in the game. You know what I mean? He got in the game real easy. You know what I mean? He never really had to like put in the grind, put in the hard effort. But when he came into the game, he shut it down.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? 9 lives and all that. So it's, you know what I mean? AZ right now, AZ is a big contributor to the game, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I wanted to do that. You know what I mean? Pay homage to him. You know what I mean? To show him what he done, what he done for a lot of people, a lot of young artists in the game today.
No question.
You know what I mean?
No question. I remember y'all heard it first, man. The boy Native Wells, man. He flew here in a private jet all the way, you know what I'm saying, to link up with the people, man, to show love, man. It's your boy Pone $, yet bringing you another edition of the Saturday Night Black Party, you heard me?
Exactly.